10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24. 24 plus 8 equals 32. But this answer is not correct. According to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, first we must need to do what's inside the parentheses, then exponents, then we do multiplication and division, and it needs to be done from left to right, and the last is addition and subtraction. In our case, we need to do first what's inside the parentheses, and of course do multiplication first and not the subtraction. So we get 10 minus 2 multiplied by 3, 6, plus 8, and we get 4 plus 8, and the answer is 12. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.